What's good, everybody? Long overdue. I have been waiting for this package for 3 days. Let's get it open. Check that out. All right, now, this is my phone that I broke after about 10 drops. It broke after 10 drops. So I'm going to start assuming that phones can withstand about 12 drops and then they shatter. Yes, I had a phone case, but there was a rock under there. There was a rock under there, and let me just show you the phone. This here is my Moto G Power. This phone here is absolutely amazing. See that? 3 cameras, 1 flash, and got the Motorola symbol there. So this is the Moto G Power. See how thin it is? Beautiful. You know the cool thing about this phone? Oh, by the way, it is 5:18 here on the East Coast. This came 2 hours ago, and I'm just now doing the video. So, I have the case for it, which is right here. This is the case that goes to the phone, so I'm a little excited. See that? That is the case. There it is. Pull that out. You can hold it like that. You can use that, prop it up. Voila, and put it in TV mode. Let's get this package opened up. I can't wait to put this case around my new Moto G Power. So we're going to compare the two. And they better send me the right package. Yes, they did. There it is. Look at this phone. Woo! Nice. Moto G Power, 6.6 HD Max Vision display. Up to 3 days of battery, okay? 48 MPs, triple camera system, which I said 3 cameras. Fast octa-core processor and 64 gigabytes of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Let's get this package opened up. And I have to charge it, so that'll be the next video. I'll upload that video later. But I'm unpackaging the Moto G Power. This is an amazing device. I love the camera features on it. I already know about it. Look at that box. Their packaging is amazing. It has slow motion as well as the iPhone. Nothing against iPhone, but I am an Android person. I will always have an Android. Here you go. Let's open her up. See that Motorola tape? There you go. The packaging is really nice. Lift this up out of there. Beautiful phone. Let me set that down and see what's up with the instructions. Okay. Now they have a SIM card pin remover right here. This is a tool to remove the SIM card. And I still have the old charger for this phone with the Motorola symbol on it and the big number 10. And on the back side, Motorola stamp. Got the plug. Now, all I'm going to do is show you the device. I'm not going to turn it on yet. Those are instructions. Guess what? No longer needing that box. Here is the new Moto G Power. Flip it around. Identical. Let that focus set in. See that? Now, let's pull this sleeve off of here and slap this puppy right inside the old case. Oh, wow. Look at that. I'm going to show y'all the camera. I have to show y'all the camera later in the video. So here's a comparison of the broke phone. All right. Keep in mind, this phone still works. I do use it still for my YouTube, my social media. But this is the camera. Look at that. I love that screen. I really love this camera. I learned how to work this camera really good. And there you have the SIM card slot right there. That's a SIM card tray. And there is the eject button. When you push that in, it'll eject out the SIM card. So this is it. All right. And your speaker is up top. You have your front screen camera. And like I said, you have your 3 cameras on the reverse side. So you have your FaceTime camera, which is here. And then you have your regular camera you use for your videos and your pictures. So now let's just put the phone in its rightful case. Moto G Power 2021. You see that? This is new. Moto G Power 2021. Don't get it twisted. Beautiful. Right up in there. Look at that. Oh, people, I'm in heaven. This is nice. So, get you a Moto G Power. It is a great phone. Camera quality is amazing. There's no lagging in the camera whenever you are shooting a video. I give this 10 stars. 10 stars. And the proof in the pudding, you see I had to get the same phone again. So definitely you know it's a good phone. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. See y'all on the next video when I show you what the phone can do.